Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Anosha for those who are new here. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm sharing all the cute things. Today I'm sharing some pieces from COS. COS is a brand I have loved through the years. Their vibe is like chic, clean, minimalistic. The quality is amazing, the styles are effortless, and I'm just a big fan of the brand. So I'm going to share some pieces I got from there that have been my go-to for fall and going into winter. Let's get into it. So the first piece is this blue sweater. This is such a beautiful sweater. I never wear color. Well, not never, but very rarely wear color. And for some reason, this blue sweater was speaking to me and I was like, I need it. When I got it, I was pleasantly surprised at the quality of the fabric. Fairly heavy knit. It's like, it feels like quality. You gotta feel it to know what I'm talking about. But you can tell it's warm. It's very blue, but it's not like an obnoxious blue. I really like the color. I think it's very pretty. I would style it with my Birks and jeans and a little bag. If you haven't realized, now I'm very into the throw on and go type of outfit, so this is definitely one. It's just fun and easy. So the next piece is these sweatpants. How cool are these? My boyfriend was like, are those sweatpants? And I was like, kinda, yeah. I love the fit of them. I think they're fun. Love the barrel leg. It's like trouser style, but in sweatpants, so they're so comfortable. And I do think they're also still very chic, even though they're sweatpants. This is like one of those like casual outfits that feels really luxe at the same time and expensive. I really like its style too, with a oversized blazer, little bag. This is kind of probably how I would wear it just running out. I mean, I have worn it like this running out, so yeah. I just love these pants. So the next piece is this turtleneck sweater. This is just a necessary piece in your fall winter closet. This sweater I have worn so many times already. Just fair warning, it's one of those tops that you put your makeup on after you put it on because it's a little tight squeeze getting on. It's so cute on. It has a little bit of structure to it, which I really like. You can tuck it in to something. I just have it paired over a long maxi skirt and some boots. I'd probably style it with like a little puffer vest over it, something like this. It's kind of unexpected to wear like a puffer and a maxi skirt, but I really like this combo. And this is one of my favorite pieces from COS right now. They have these quilted bags. How cute is this bag, guys? They come in leather, they come in different colors. Honestly, I would buy all of them if it made sense to have a bunch of quilted bags, but this I love so much. It also comes in a bigger size too. You can wear it like crossbody. It's just a good bag. It also fits a lot of things. I can even fit like my little camera in here. The last piece I wanted to share are these heels. They're real leather heels. They have a wedge heel, so they're really comfy. They run true to size. They're so cute. I love the pointed toe. It's just a good solid heel. Plus they're comfortable, which is a win. I barely wear heels these days. These might be like the only ones I actually own that are like traditional heels, other than like boots that have heels. And there's a reason they're the only ones I have, because they're still really comfortable, but they give you that like sleek, put together look. I would throw on my favorite bag with them. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed with these. They're so good. So those are all the pieces that have been in heavy rotation for me this fall. Definitely gonna wear them going into winter. I love COS. It is for sure one of my favorite brands, one of my favorite places to shop. I actually need to go check out the website now because I bet you they have really cute winter stuff up right now. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know which was your favorite outfit, and I'll see you guys next time.